Hello everybody, my name is Igor and right now we are in the 𝐸𝐴𝐺tory project. This is a luxury new villa project in Bang Tower in Phuket, Thailand. We are located here very close to the big beautiful green 𝐸𝐺tory Park. This is a historical place which also gives the name to our project. This villa is very unique, very luxury, using very high quality materials. This is our show unit. It is completed and I would like to show you inside. Please, let's go. This is a car garage for 2 vehicles. At the entrance we have a storage room with a laundry, here's a washing machine and a dryer. And this is the main entrance, this big wooden door. As we come on the first floor, on the right side we have a wine room, a wine cellar. And on the left there's a big hall, is the first big living room on the first floor. Take a look at all the materials, all the quality finishes that we have here. These walls are actually made of the real teak wood. Even the ceiling is made of wood, which I think looks super stylish. So it's a really high quality finishes. I don't know another project like this in Phuket. I really like how this kitchen hood is just coming out of the counter. Also we have a refrigerator here and a dishwashing machine. Apart from the good quality and very stylish design, this villa is also using a smart home system, which controls all the light, air conditioners, music, video cameras and all the door locks. And you can control all this just by using your phone or an iPad, or you can simply use your voice commands to control the entire villa. Alexa, dining room light off.
Okay.
Just like this, using my voice, I switched off the light. And in a similar way you can control every function of this villa. I think it's very convenient, but I think you may also get a little bit lazy if you live here for a long time, because you don't need to come up to the door to open it, and you can set your air conditioner temperature just by using your voice. You don't need to use any remote, but it's super convenient. This is a very big, beautiful, spacious bedroom made in similar style. This entire wall is made of marble and we have a real teak wood here everywhere on the walls. This bed is made of genuine leather, big and king size bed, lots of beautiful decorations here. And this bedroom leads us to the terrace outside with our own sun deck and the green beautiful territory. There's a spacious walk-in wardrobe here, also made of wood, double sink. I really enjoy and appreciate these kind of elements. There is a place to put your watches and jewelry. And look at this stylish, spacious bathroom with a bathtub. And also we're using the smart toilets in every bathroom in this villa. We also have a guest bathroom here on the ground floor. And one of the very nice features of this villa is the wine cellar that we have here. There's also quite a big room, is about 9 square meters, and look how much storage and how much space you have here to put the wine and drinks. But if you prefer, you can design it into something else, into a storage or a wardrobe. But I think it's very nice to keep it as a wine cellar. And now let's go on the second floor. We have a lot more to see. Here, take a look at all these textures. This is made of nano silk, very beautiful, good quality materials. And on the second floor we have 2 more bedrooms and 2 more swimming pools. There's one pool on my left side, and this one, we call it jokingly intimate or private swimming pool, because this swimming pool is a completely private area. Here nobody can see you. And the other much bigger swimming pool is located on the outside, so you can choose here how you want to spend your time. Plus, every bedroom here has its own swimming pool attached to it with a jacuzzi. This is the main living area of the villa. It has this big comfortable sofa of black fabric, very stylish, in front of the TV on a black marble wall. The ceiling here is made of teak wood, has a built-in air conditioner and a sound system from Denon, Japanese brand, so you can listen here to the music in very high quality. Here we have a dining table, and from the living we also have the entrance into the swimming pool, which we can also access from the master bedroom. This kitchen here looks absolutely beautiful. It has this big countertop of black marble. This kitchen hood has a sensor panel, so when you touch it like this, it slides up and down and starts working. Also very stylish, and also kitchen is located right next to the swimming pool. So from here you can serve the drinks directly into the jacuzzi. Have an oven, microwave, dishwashing machine, and an absolutely huge refrigerator which has lots of sections and lots of beautiful small decorations. Like, I really like the shape and the design of this light. So there's lots of cool, interesting features in this villa. Design is simply amazing. And now let's walk into the bedroom number 2. So this is another big, beautiful, spacious bedroom which is located right next to the swimming pool with a jacuzzi. So from the bedroom you can jump directly into the pool. And another interesting feature here is this big panoramic window, which if you open it, this essentially becomes a balcony and gives you simply amazing view of the Victory Park. This is the way to the master bedroom. Now from the shower of the master bedroom you also have this big door which give you access to the swimming pool. It's very convenient, so after swimming you can come first to take a shower, dry yourself, and then walk into the bedroom. And this is finally the master bedroom. It is about the same size as the other two, but it has this big panoramic window with a direct access to the main swimming pool. Beautiful king-size bed made of genuine leather which looks absolutely royal. Also this very comfortable looking genuine leather chairs. I have a working space or a table for cosmetics with a mirror, and this one leads us to the wardrobe and the bathroom. And now let's step outside on the main terrace of the master bedroom where we have the swimming pool and the jacuzzi. I think it's very nice to relax here and enjoy the green view and the mountains at the distance. Now here on the left side we can see the rest of the complex now going under very quick and active construction. And the project territory is actually very big. It's going all the way to there, around 35,000 square meters, and we're going to have 45 villas in total. So now we have seen the villa on the inside with this beautiful, unique design, very high quality materials. But another thing that sets Victory apart from any other project is not just the villa, but the facilities and the lifestyle we are going to have inside. Victory is going to offer the facilities of a 5-star resort. We're going to build a very big communal area swimming pool and a proper big fitness center, several restaurants, kids club, spa for the saunas and massages. So you will have all facilities of 5-star hotel, not to mention we are located right next to the Victory Park. So directly from your villa you can walk into the park with your friends, go for a run, ride a bicycle. It will be really amazing place to live. I think this is the first and probably the only one right now villa project in Phuket which combines the luxury villa lifestyle and all the facilities of a 5-star hotel. If this is something sounds interesting to you, get in touch. We are still on the early stage of construction, so we have some interesting offers going on right now. Or you can visit our show unit anytime to see everything with your own eyes, and we will tell you more information. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Igor, and I'll see you soon.